I just received the payout notification email from FTMO, and these are the first $500 I've earned as a profit. So now I have to choose whether to withdraw it or pay for another challenge. Now, before I show you what I'm going to do, let me tell you how I achieved this 5% in my funded account. This is the funded account, and you can see that I'm trading Waka Waka Expert Advisor, and this month it gained 2.47%. And I got funded with this account while I was recording my FTMO course. So if you look at our website, you will see that we have an FTMO course which turned out to be very useful for many traders, and there I share manual and algorithmic trading strategies. However, during the course I bought a 10k challenge and I passed it using the FTMO robot. I also passed the second phase and I got funded with $10,000. So right in here, back in May, I received the $10,000, and during the first month the Waka Waka made $72. So I was accumulating these profits, and every month I transfer the profits into the account for the next month, and you can see that in a few months I already have $10,554 as a profit. And this month I decided also to connect the accounts to my FX book, and from now on I'll be able to track how Waka Waka did on this account every month. So right in here I have the results from November 2023, and in the next months I will be adding the new accounts, and you will be able to see them right in here. I'll leave the link down below in the description, so whenever you're watching the video you'll see how the Waka Waka performs in my account. Now if I open the email, you will see that it says to complete the trading cycle and withdraw your profits, kindly visit your client area, and I'll just click on payouts, and the total profit is $554. Now there are three things I can do. One is I can withdraw the money. 2 is I can buy another challenge, or 3 is what I've been doing so far. I can move these profits to the account for the next month. So I'll click on start processing, and it says congratulations on making a profit, well done indeed. The total profit on your trading account is $554. Out of that, your last month's profit is $254, and your profit split is $503. And that is the amount that I can withdraw. I can roll over to the next month, or I can get a new FTMO challenge. And what I will do, I will obviously withdraw all of it. I will click on max and I will withdraw every cent of this profit, and I will spend it for something nice that you will see by the end of this video. And here comes the greed in most of the traders. Whenever they make profits in their accounts, they either roll over them or they take a new challenge. And if you fail the challenge, you have nothing left from all of the profits that you made. So I'll leave it on you to decide, but I decided to withdraw these profits and spend them for something nice. And a few days later, I saw that I'd received my payout from FTMO, so it was time to spend it. I decided to spoil my kids this Christmas with a huge Christmas tree, and I also picked all of the accessories needed to make it as beautiful and special as possible. I spent about $100 and decided to visit the local children's home for the underprivileged, orphaned and homeless to see what they needed. Sadly, what they needed wasn't toys. It was medical equipment like infusion pumps. The $400 left over from the payout wasn't enough to cover all of the costs, so I added a substantial amount from all sponsored videos in December. I won't show you all of that. I don't want to be another influencer who takes advantage of donations to simply attract more subscribers. I want to keep my YouTube channel purely about trading, expert advisors, and passing challenges. If you decide to subscribe, I want
want you to do it because you enjoy my content and it adds value to you, not because I made a donation at the end of the year using some of the money I got from FTMO or the YouTube channel. I could have selected to use my payout to take another challenge and potentially pass it, and another account with another challenge after that. I personally feel happier if I make the people around me happier. So you always have the choice to risk more or spend the profits on the ones you love and those that don't have the same opportunities. Alright, my kids are sleeping in the other room, so let's wake them up and see if they will like the tree. As always, thanks for watching, enjoy the holidays, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.